Promise Dad is a film with a heart, and I am delighted to be associated with Promise Dad for many, many reasons. The first thing is that it's reunited me with a lot of old friends. Tom Oltrasab, who did Zaban Sambhal Ke with me for years and years. Jugal Hansraj, who was in school with me. Satish Kaushik, who spent 80 marvelous days with me in New York when we shot for Raab Lord Chilling. Rasool, our sound recordist and sound designer, with whom I did my first English film, But apart from this reunion with old friends whom you will all meet after we see the trailer, this film marks the debut of a filmmaker. A filmmaker whose name is Ritesh Sinha. Ladies and gentlemen, he's standing right here. Could we give him a big hand?
Thank you, Satish, for being here. He's been a great support, and I think he performed so well. I remember he had three pages of dialogues, and he would arrive 2 hours or an hour before the time I would actually officially ask him to, and I would see him rehearsing. That he said, no, I want to give my perfection. And imagine, he's a legend. This is my first film. I don't know how many you have done, but still he had that passion. So thank you, sir, for supporting this little endeavor of mine. And I hope if you can say a few words.
This is a very important film because Ritesh is a very dear friend, colleague. He has worked with me before. And when he narrated me the subject of Promise Dad, I thought it was a very compact, emotional and very human drama, told in a very, very emotional manner. And I loved the part which he gave me. It was my outing after Brick Lane and Road Movie as an international film and an English film. And it was great honor and great enjoyment to do this film because the background of the film was skating, which was very new to us, but it was very exciting on the screen. And if you see on the screen the kind of skating stunts this boy has done, he's not here. I think he's not come. Tom is not here, and he chose him out of the blue. He's not even an actor. He's just a skater. But the kind of performance he has given is amazing. So I congratulate you and everybody connected with the Promise Dad. It is going to be a very, very interesting film, very heartwarming, heart-wrenching film. You can say that. And congrats, Ritesh. Best of luck to you and best of luck to everyone.
Film itself, it had a very emotional core, something that made me feel like I want to watch it. And then when I got a chance to be a part of it, I thought, even if it's a small part, I would definitely like to be a part of it. And I would like to, congratulate Ritesh. I've heard how difficult his journey was to get this film released. He's done everything on his own without any backing, and I think in some small way, if I could be, support, I think. And I wish him and everybody all the best.
जो फिल्म थी उसका बैकड्रॉप जो था स्केटिंग था, तो वो देख कर के इतना एक्साइटमेंट होता कि पूछो मत. एंड उसके ऊपर द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द फादर एंड सन इज़ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. सो आई थिंक रितेश हैज़ conceived a film which is very compact, very emotional and told in a very very heartbreaking manner. I'm sure that this film, which is releasing in UK in 150 theatres, as Ritesh said, will make a mark because it is a film which is based on a sport, and sports film always do well. And the success stories, going from 0 to 100, and it is a very great achievement for this boy who has promised his father that he wanted to be a skater. So I had a great time shooting this film. नहीं, रितेश मेरा असिस्टेंट रह चुका है, तो रितेश डायरेक्ट कर रहा था तो मैं कैसे डायरेक्ट कर सकता था. लेकिन मुझे एक्टिंग करने का बड़ा मज़ा आया बिकॉज जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि मेरी इंग्लिश फिल्म ब्रिक लेन, रोड मूवी और दिस इज़ माई थर्ड फिल्म। एंड जबकि मेरी लैंग्वेज नहीं है इंग्लिश, थिएटर भी मैंने नहीं किया। जो मैंने ब्रिक लेन में मुझे एक्सपीरियंस हुआ, रोड मूवी तो खैर हिंदी में ही थी, लेकिन इस फिल्म के अंदर मुझको अपने डायलॉग्स बोलने में, याद करने में मतलब तकलीफ़ हुई, लेकिन उनको याद करके बोला और बड़े तरीके से और बहुत नेचुरल तरीके से बोला, जो मेरे लिए बड़ा चैलेंजिंग था।